Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make Outlook go into full screen mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab, and then on the far right there should be a drop-down arrow. Go ahead and left-click on that. And then underneath Show Ribbon, you want to select Full Screen Mode. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And if you want to escape full screen mode, select the three-dotted icon at the top, left-click on it, and now select that down arrow again, and then you can just select the Always Show ribbon or Show Tabs Only, or Hide Quick Access Toolbar altogether. We're just going to select Always Show ribbon, and that should be it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.